Welcome to this tutorial on setting up the Uniswap SDK. The Uniswap SDK is a powerful tool for building decentralized applications on the Ethereum blockchain. To get started, you will need to have Node.js and a code editor installed on your computer. First, you need to install the Uniswap SDK using npm by running the command npm install Uniswap SDK. This will download and install the necessary dependencies for the SDK. Next, you need to import the Uniswap SDK into your project. You can do this by adding the line const uniswap equals require Uniswap SDK to the top of your code file. After importing the SDK, you need to set up a provider to connect to the Ethereum blockchain. You can use a provider like Infura or Alchemy to connect to the blockchain. You can set up a provider by adding the line const provider equals new ethers, providers, JSON RPC provider. https mainnet.infura.io/v3/your_project_id. Once you have set up a provider, you can use the Uniswap SDK to fetch data from the Uniswap protocol. For example, you can use the getPair function to fetch the liquidity reserves of a particular trading pair. You can also use the getAmountOut function to calculate the amount of tokens you will receive for a given input amount. To interact with the Uniswap protocol, you will need to have an Ethereum wallet set up. You can use a library like Ethers.js to create a wallet and sign transactions. You can then use the Uniswap SDK to execute trades and other transactions on the Uniswap protocol. Best practices for using the Uniswap SDK include handling errors and exceptions properly, and testing your code thoroughly before deploying it to production. You should also keep your Ethereum wallet and private keys secure to prevent unauthorized access to your funds. In conclusion, setting up the Uniswap SDK is a straightforward process that requires installing the SDK, importing it into your project, setting up a provider, and using the SDK to fetch data and interact with the Uniswap protocol. By following these steps and best practices, you can build powerful decentralized applications on the Ethereum blockchain using the Uniswap SDK.